Every single day, gravity is working on your spine. Every hour you sit, every mile you drive, every time you look down at your phone, every repetitive movement at work, every old injury, every fall, every accident, your spine experiences thousands of pounds of cumulative compression over time. Most people don't notice it happening because it occurs gradually. Healthy discs slowly lose hydration. The spaces between the vertebrae become smaller. Pressure on joints and nerves can increase. That's why spinal health isn't just about treating pain. It's about restoring healthy movement and reducing the effects of years of accumulated compression. Spinal decompression is a gentle, controlled therapy designed to create space within the spine, helping reduce pressure while supporting healthier dysfunction and mobility. Just as brushing your teeth is part of maintaining oral health, caring for your spine consistently can be an important part of maintaining spinal health.